Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge again. I just got a new knife from Amazon. Ordered a few days ago. It's actually one I already got before, but it's the Gerber Sumo. It's like this one, but a different color. So I just got it. Here's the one that I got before. So I like this one a lot. Anyway, so here. But I just did notice, though, when it came in, the back box is a little cracked a little bit, so, but I don't see no damage really on the knife itself. See, I haven't opened it yet. I just got it. So, but it don't look like it hurt anything. I might have tossed it, I don't know. Anyway, so we are gonna, so it's plain edge, folding, pivot lock, textured grip, pocket clip. So smooth one-hand opening. Here's the one thing people don't like. It's this 7CR17, which I don't have a problem with it because I sharpened the crap out of this one, and I got this thing razor sharp. So it's going to be cool to compare the two. This one I got it broke in, so I could drop shut, basically. Well, didn't do it that time, but I can drop shut it. A little flick, but or you can actually do this. But anyway, so this is going to be cool to open this one up and see how stiff this one was originally. So I guess we'll kind of slice it. I'll slice it on this side. Come on. There we go. Go. Not quite zoom. There we go. There's the blue. This is the cryo one. I think, I don't know if they say what it is. Probably don't say it, but this is the other color. Sit this over here. Oh, by the way, if you share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. If you like knife videos, and smash that bell, ring that bell. Get this out of the way. Sit this one up here. There's the new one. So let's see. I want to see how. Yeah, it don't come super. See, it's not that bad. Like I didn't remember it closes pretty good. Ooh, okay, let's see if we can look real close up at it. So it's more of a stone wash compared to the other one. It's the white and blue one. This is very like a white color. Has the blue, I think cryo they call it. I'll look it up here in a second, but you can see it's like a metallic. Has their pivot lock. They call it a pivot lock. So stone wash. If you have the Gerber flat iron, this kind of reminds me of the stone wash on that. Let's see, pocket clip. Like I said, it's not too hard to. It's not quite ready to. It's not bad. Like I got this one broken, and I think I can drop it a little better. Let's see. Let's see what we got there. All right, so. See what we got with. I'm going to do a size comparison before I forget. Let's see, here's the size. That one, of course, no use size comparison that one because it's the same knife, but we'll use the Tenacious. That one's usually a good one to compare it to. There's a Tenacious right there. Let's see. Kind of bring it in a little bit. So it's much larger than a Tenacious. Let's do a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inches. Seems kind of big. I don't remember. Was it 9 inches? Let's see. Let me recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Definitely 9 inches long. It's a large compared to the Tenacious is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, less than 8. So this is a common everyday carry people use, the Tenacious. So It's about almost an inch longer than that one. So we'll see, and we'll size compare it with. Oh, let's see, what do we want to use? How about the M16? The CKR, yeah, the CRKT M16, the larger of the two, the M16 03KS. So you see, it's a little bigger than that one too. So it's on the bigger size of a knife. And since one more, we'll compare it with the Gerber Fast 06. Yeah, so it's even bigger than that one. Okay, and this is somewhat a large knife, but it don't feel that big because the handle is really slim. So if one thing, if I'd make this better, I think I'd put a finger choil right there. Extend that choil out and make it a finger choil. So if Gerber's listening, why don't you probably do that? And of course, everybody wants better still. But yeah, if I was Gerber and I was in charge, I think I would extend that finger, make a finger choil right there, and put maybe some D2 steel on there. But I wouldn't raise the price. I think it's $40-some, $42. So I mean, I think they should be able to put D2 on there, and I would put a finger choil, and then you could really come up and choke up on it, though. But anyways, that's a sidetrack. Let's go and do some cutting tests. Get rid of these. We're gonna go right to got some cardboard here. I'm gonna slice. We'll see what it can do with foam paper right off the bat. Where's my foam paper? Got some foam paper right here. Let's see if it slices good. It's a little rough on foam paper, but it goes through it. It goes through it. Let's see what it does with the cardboard. Let's see. This cardboard make it a little easier to manage. All right. I should have got smaller pieces here. Rip a piece right here. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what my old one did. It's cutting through it, but I kind of have to. Guess it's not the sharpest knife that I've got. Going through, it's got to go through tape. It's having trouble going through the tape. What? And it's going. It's just. Let's see. Let me cut. I had that tape right there. I was trying to go through that tape. I was struggling through the tape, you know. It's going through it. You gotta kind of. It's not. I've had better like knives come out of the box, but I would compare this one. But I mean, I think I nicked this blade up opening the package on that plastic. You see, I rolled my edge a little bit. I'm not as I guess I just rolled the edge opening the package on this package, so it's kind of interesting. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just curious now. I got this. Here's a CKRB. Never sharpened this one. Yeah, it's about the same. Gerber's tough on knives. So anyways, Here's some cardboard. Let's go back to the foam paper. See if it will slice through the foam paper. I mean, I did it one. I was struggling a little bit, but it still can slice the. Man, it was just some tough cardboard. I don't know. All right, so let me go over here and. Okay, I'm back. I was going to show you something. I actually ran out of time, or my recording device stopped recording, so I was not too impressed, right? I tell you honestly. I wasn't recording all the stuff that I did, but here's the thing. Just bought this knife because I like this knife. All right. And I bought it because the 7CR that everybody kind of gives a hard time about, I sharpened it and I can get it hair sharp, hair shaving sharp, no problem. And I had a mirror edge on it. It looked good, and I was happy with it. Well, I thought, YouTube gold, I'd cut open the package that the new one came in. This one came in. Well, after doing that, I noticed I messed this blade up pretty good. The plastic tore it up. I mean, really, I don't have the best camera, but it's had a mirror edge. You can see it bent, it rolled the edge in more than one spot, opening this plastic up. So I'm not. I say I'm not. I tried before I was recording. I tried stropping it and saying, well, maybe I can strop it back into shape, but it rolled the edge pretty good. So I'm gonna have to resharpen this one. And this knife here, I'm gonna show you this. Here's the knife. It's not. It's not the cheapest knife. It's a $41 knife. Right there. It's $41. And I know it has a 7CR, but it's just it has a 7CR. I knew that going in. I like this. I just like this knife. But if you're not a knife sharpener and you spend $42 on a knife like this, a Gerber, this is a name brand. I mean, I know it's made in China, but they put their mark on it, and you're cutting open a plastic package, and you destroy your edge. Not destroy. It's hard to say destroy. If you can sharpen like I can, I'll get this edge back. I sharpen knives for a hobby. So it's, to me, if like you're a person that like don't sharpen knives, you want to buy a knife, come out of package, you don't have to mess with it ever again, this probably isn't it. Because I've really never had an issue with steel types, but I don't think you should. I really don't think by cutting open a plastic package you should ruin the edge on your knife. But this, it did. This was a mirror edge on it, and it was hair shaven sharp. Now I mean, it's not the best. It sucks. I mean, there's spots where it hits. I tried stropping a little bit, and it was supposed to be an unboxing of this the white and the Gerber Sumo, the white and black one with the blue accent, but it turned in more to me almost this 7CR still letting me down a little bit. I guess like it's just the price. I guess if I spent if I spent $20 on it, I don't know if that'd be that big of a deal. Okay, here's the thing: if you don't sharpen knives, I wouldn't buy this knife. I mean, That's just it is. You shouldn't. I guess you probably don't want to buy a knife if you can't sharpen, because you sure ain't going, like I have a place around me called Fin Feather Fur, and they'll resharpen your knives, and I think they charge $5 to do that. And I don't know, it's just like you spend $42, you use your knife once cutting over package. Well, let me go and pay someone to sharpen my knife. No, I mean it'd be silly. So, but I do like the style of the knife. It's just, I was disappointed. I really didn't expect this video to go the way it did. You know, it was just, all I can say, I'm disappointed in it. And I think if I didn't know how to sharpen knives and get the blade back where I want it, I'd be really pissed. But I'm not pissed so much. But I think if I was Gerber, if you're watching there, Gerber, I'd take this, I'd make this finger choil bigger, and I'd put D2 steel on there, or even I don't know, some Sandvik steel. I don't know, just something a little better than the 7CR. So yeah. So like I said, the video didn't quite go the way I wanted it to go, but that's all right. Maybe if you're still watching this far into the video, then maybe you learned something from my mistake. Or all right. Well, if you like videos like this, like, share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge. Have a nice day. Bye.